Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make canned pasta sauce, only way. Start by sautéing 1 chopped onion in 2 tablespoons olive oil until translucent, then add 3 cloves minced garlic and cook 1 minute. Pour in a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, add 1 tsp salt, 1 tsp sugar, a pinch of red pepper flakes, and 1 tablespoon chopped basil. Simmer uncovered for about 15 minutes and adjust seasoning to taste. Chopping and timing matter for flavor. Heat a large skillet over medium, then spoon oil to coat. Sauté onion until soft, not browned, to release sweetness, then add garlic late to avoid bitterness. Use canned crushed tomatoes for texture and blend if you prefer smoother sauce. Stir in herbs toward the end to keep brightness. Taste and balance acidity with a pinch of sugar or splash of balsamic vinegar before serving. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for music while you cook, hands-free timers, and crisp kitchen sound. It's compact and easy to use near the stove. Check the description for the link and other deals. You'll thank me later. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Store leftover sauce properly to maintain quality. Cool sauce to room temperature, transfer to airtight containers, and refrigerate up to 5 days or freeze up to 3 months in labeled portions. Reheat gently on low to preserve texture and flavor, adding a splash of water if too thick. For faster meals, toss with cooked pasta, add browned sausage or roasted vegetables, and finish with grated Parmesan and fresh basil now.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.